show you how I made these chicken bacon ranch garlic butter buns. They're full of cheese. We have our little chef today. What are we making? Roasted chicken, recipes on my page. You want bite-sized pieces. Hickory smoked thick cut bacon. Also bite-sized pieces. Garlic. We know her, we love her. Mince up as many cloves as your soul tells you. The garlic limit does not exist. Get a pan! Oil to your pan. Bacon. My non-bacon lovers, you can use turkey bacon. Save the comments, I know they're coming. Oh my gosh, how can one hate bacon? Your bacon has reached its desired crispiness, go ahead and drain it out with a slotted spoon and set it aside. Now if you have a lot of grease in your pan, go ahead and drain out some. Add about a half a stick of butter. This is our garlic butter that we're gonna baste our buns with. All that delicious garlic, cook until nice and fragrant. Add fresh or dried parsley. I only have dried at the moment, so it is what it is. Now in the bowl that you put your bacon in, go ahead and add your chicken. Season to your liking. A little salt, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and Aleppo pepper. My third personality trait. We're gonna add some delicious homemade buttermilk ranch. You don't want it to be too runny. It'll make a huge mess. And some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. Don't be shy to add more. See, there you're going for it. Kind of looks like tuna salad. We have our dough. Recipe can also be found on my page. Equal sized pieces. Flatten it out. Add in your filling. Pull up and pinch the sides. Place them on a baking sheet. Pour on that garlic butter. Now we're gonna cook on 400 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Did you see that beautiful cheese pool? Taste test. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I definitely prefer my buffalo chicken buns over these, but